Hello guys, be ready for the special dictation of Patna High Court steno skill examination. 5 seconds. The Madras High Court verdict that the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry should not interfere in the day-to-day administration of the Union Territory is a serious setback to the incumbent administrator Kiran Bedi. She has been locked in a prolonged dispute over the extent of her powers with Chief Minister V. Narayan Swamy, who says she has been disregarding the elected run and seeking to run the Union Territory on her own. The court has laid down that the decision taken by the Council of Ministers and the Chief Minister is binding on the secretaries and other officials. Inspired by the Supreme Court's appeal to the constitutional morality and trust among high dignitaries, the High Court has also reminded the center and the administrator that they should be true to the concept of democratic principles lest the constitutional scheme based on democracy and republicanism be defeated. The judgment is based mainly on the principles that were laid down in the last year's Constitution Bench decision on the conflict between the elected reign in the National Capital Territory NCT and its Lieutenant Governor. The five judge bench had ruled the LG has to either act on the ad and advice of the Council of Ministers or refer to the President for a decision any matter on which there is a difference with the ministry but has no independent decision making powers. The High Court also says the administrator is bound by the add and advise clause in matters over which the assembly is competent to enact laws. The LG's power to refer any matter to the president to resolve differences should not mean every matter the court has concerned. Justice R. Mahadevan, who delivered the Madras High Court judgment, is conscious of the difference in status between Delhi and Puducherry. The Puducherry legislature is the creation of a parliament law based on an enabling provision in Article 239A of the Constitution, whereas the NCT legislature has been created by the Constitution itself under Article 239AA. The Supreme Court had described the NCT as sui generis. At the same time, the NCT Assembly is limited in the extent of its legislative powers as it is barred from dealing with the subjects of public order, police, and land. However, looking at the business rules as well as other statutory provisions on Puducherry, the judge has sought to give greater credence to the concept of a representative government. He has set aside two clarifications issued by the Center in 2017 to the effect that the LG enjoys more power than the governor of a state and can act without ad and advice. In view of the Constitution Bench judgment on Delhi, he has differed with another Madras High Court decision on 2018 in which the LG's power to act irrespective of the cabinet's advice was upheld. In the event that the latest judgment is taken up on appeal, a key question may be how far the decision of the five judge bench on the limits of the Delhi LG's power would indeed apply to the Puducherry. Stop. Guys, ऑफ 2018 की जगह मैंने ऑन 2018 पढ़ लिया है, तो सो सॉरी फॉर दैट, इसको कंसीडर कर लीजिएगा. होप सो आपको डिक्टेशंस अच्छे लग रहे होंगे, आप डिक्टेशंस को अच्छे से ट्रांसक्राइब कर रहे होंगे, अपनी एरर को चेक कर रहे होंगे, अपनी इम्प्रूवमेंट को जज कर रहे होंगे. और तो यदि आपको हमारे डिक्टेशंस और इन्फॉर्मेशंस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज और सजेशंस है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए. धन्यवाद. हेलो गाइस.